What's going on YouTube? Steven the Salon Guy here, and today I'm at my station here and I want to show you guys a quick tip on how to get your hair a lot smoother, especially if your hair is a bit longer like this mannequin. So let's jump right into it. So say you have a bit of, longer hair like this, and it's, as you can see, maybe a little bit frizzy or a little bit dry looking, and you want your hair to just lay completely differently. You want it to be a lot smoother. You want it to just look healthier. You don't want it to be frizzy. Whether you're, male or female, I'm gonna show you a quick method of using a brush and a blow dryer of how to actually make your hair look much better. So let's jump right into it. So you can spray your hair down a little bit. It doesn't have to be soaking wet, but enough that it's going to actually change the texture right away, so it's not gonna be super frizzy. So you need to have your hair a bit on the damp side. All right, so then you will need some sort of smoothing serum. Like this is my smoothing serum called Sleek, which I'm super passionate about. It's great stuff. One little pump like that into your hands, work it through, and then you can simply just work it through the hair like this. You don't need a whole lot, but you wanna work it through both ways, this way, throughout the entire head like this. You don't wanna ever just take product and go like this. You wanna always kind of work it through with your hands so it's evenly distributed. Then what you're gonna do is take a brush. This brush is amazing. I've been using this brush for, this type of brush for years and years. This is the Paul Mitchell sculpting brush. And you're gonna brush the product through so that it is nice and evenly distributed. And if you notice, I'm not brushing the hair back. I'm brushing the hair forward, okay? And there's a reason why I'm doing this, because we're actually going to blow dry the hair this way. And this is what's really gonna help you smooth the hair out and help defrizz it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a blow dryer. It doesn't have to be this blow dryer, and we're actually going to what we call a flat wrap. We're going to wrap the hair around the head like this in multiple directions, and what that's going to do, it's going to make the hair lay much flatter and also help smooth it out. Okay, so as you can see, the hair is much smoother looking and much flatter looking. So a lot of times when people want smoother hair, it also means flatter, because smooth means it's nice and silky straight. So if you want to now bring the hair back this way, it's gonna be much easier for you guys, or even girls, to run your fingers through your hair. It's much silkier, a lot smoother, and this is a great way to actually help defrizz your hair and make it look much healthier in a very short amount of time. Check out my new show, Head to Head, which is a one-on-one barber battle. Episode 2 is already launched every Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Definitely check it out on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.